Welcome to this delightful CBS 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with 1-car garage. Built in 2018, this home is in like-new condition and features high vaulted ceilings, spacious rooms with a split floor plan, a metal roof, impact glass throughout, plank-style flooring, and stainless steel appliances. There is a nice, screened porch, 1-car garage, and a large yard with plenty of room for a pool and loads of room to store all the toys. Conveniently located less than a mile from Manatee Pocket with waterfront restaurants, shopping, boating and all that the charming city of Stuart has to offer. This is the perfect place to call home. No hoa.